Well, good morning. I've finally got a microphone set up, so I'm hoping you can hear it okay. Today we're going for a ride to Carewood, and I want to have a look at a castle there, and also where the Vikings landed, but we'll talk about that when we get there. I'm just going past Sherburn at the moment, and I'll make a right on this roundabout and we're on the road to Carewood, a lovely biking road. I'm just getting out for a little ride before lockdown. I won't be going out at all while we're on lockdown due to COVID. Just got to be very careful at the moment. Lots of wet leaves on the road, and farmers are very busy, and quite a bit of mud on the road as well. And I'm on my Royal Enfield Himalayan, and what a lovely little bike it is for pottering about on these roads. It's never going to win any speed contests, but you're sat in a lovely place when you're sat on one of these. I've been wanting to get one of these for quite a while, and I've got to say it's far exceeded my expectations. Quite happy with it. So this is Carewood Castle, and it's been here since the Norman times. Well, this is what's left of it anyway. And it's got quite a checkered history. Edward I, Longshanks as we know him, he based here. He came up here from London and got based here with all his court when he were going and fighting in Scotland against William Wallace and co. And right up to the Civil War there were a battle here with the King Charles men and Cromwell's men. History on your doorstep. Lovely place.